In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Microsoft Forms for attendance. Whether you're conducting a virtual class or hosting a meeting, capturing attendance is seamlessly efficient with Microsoft Forms. Let's dive into the step-by-step process, ensuring you get everything perfect from the start. First, open your preferred web browser and type Microsoft Forms into the search bar. This will lead you to Microsoft's official site where you can start creating your form. If you haven't already signed in to your Microsoft account, make sure to do so. Simply enter your credentials and navigate to the main Microsoft Forms dashboard. Once you're on the main page, you'll spot a brightly colored plus New Form button. Clicking this is your gateway to crafting a new attendance form. Here, you'll want to click on Untitled Form to personalize it with a meaningful name, such as Attendance for Today's Lecture. Feel free to add a description if you'd like to provide additional context or instructions for the attendees. Next, it's time to add questions. Click on plus Add New to introduce a question to your form. Selecting the text option is ideal for capturing crucial details such as student names or identifiers. Now think about the information you need. Enter questions like first name, last name, and student ID. Remember to toggle on the Required option. This ensures attendees are compelled to fill out each field, which is vital for capturing complete data. If you anticipate the responses might be lengthy, especially if additional details are needed, utilize the long answer text type. This adjustment will give your students the necessary space to provide detailed responses without feeling constrained. Once your form setup is complete, let's consider how to share it. Find the Share button prominently displayed at the top of your form. Under the Send and Collect Responses section, you'll notice options for restricting access. Choosing Only people in my organization can respond is a great way to enhance security, ensuring only authorized individuals can access the form. If you're aiming for a more visual approach, click on the QR code icon. This will generate a quick response code you can easily download and print or even embed in a presentation for students to scan on the go. Alternatively, you can copy the URL link to share via email or other digital platforms, offering flexible sharing options for diverse scenarios. When the event concludes and you're ready to review attendance, open your completed form and head over to the Responses tab. Here you'll see an option to Open in Excel. Clicking this downloads a comprehensive spreadsheet with all the attendance data, including the student submissions and timestamps for precise record-keeping. Congratulations on setting up a sleek and functional attendance tracking system with Microsoft Forms. By following these simple steps, you've harnessed the power of technology to seamlessly capture important data.